In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Opus Clip for affiliate marketing. So this is a software that we can use to transform long form videos into short form videos. Now, first of all, let me show you. So this is the product. This is my affiliate dashboard for the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and these are my affiliate links. Now, I don't drive traffic directly to these affiliate links. What I do instead is that I drive traffic to these sales funnel. So you can see these are the funnel steps. So it has the free course opt-in page. So this is the first page that I use to collect the name and the email of the prospect, and then once people opting in their information, they will go to the bridge page in which they will find my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. And then this software Funnel Freedom is going to send this free course through email. So basically, I'm giving away this free course in exchange for the email. Now, that being said, this is like my first step to have this set up, the lead magnet, which in this case is the free course, and all the email sequence and all that good stuff. So I've utilized Funnel Freedom to promote multiple affiliate products, guys. Now, that being said, I'm going to show you how to utilize Opus Clip. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and check this out. I'm going to go to content and I'm going to choose a long form video, because what I can do is that I can repurpose that video into all of my social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. So I'm going to copy. So this is a video in which I talk about how to get started affiliate marketing step by step. I'm going to go to Opus Clip and then I'm going to copy this link. So Opus Clip, guys, Opus Clip. So right now I'm utilizing the free trial. So they have a 7-day free trial. So as you can see, it's going to expire in 6 days. And so I'm thinking about like using this because it's really cool. So check this out. Here I can choose from these templates. For example, we have here Think Media, Karaoke, Beast. So I have been utilizing this one. So here we need to choose, like, for example, like the words that it's going to appear in our videos. So let's see. So this one is cool. I'm going to select this one, then only add caption with a clipping. I'm going to choose how to video, prefer clip, and then I'm going to click here, get clips in one click, and it's going to take like 17 minutes. So how to get started? Okay. Okay, cool. I'm going to show you one example because I did a test before recording this video. So check this out here. So this one is going to be in 16 minutes. And I have this one, doing keyword search. So basically here I'm talking about how to utilize Google Trends and keywords everywhere, and also to body. And check this out. And these are the short form videos. What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to show you how I do keyword research for my YouTube. And what is cool though is that I'm going to go here to edit the clip, so you can see that we can we can choose whatever part of this. I can choose whatever part I want from this video. So I'm going to close this. No, I want, okay, you can access the tutorials again from the top. Okay, here I can choose the layout. For example, right now I have in the split version, I can use, for example, field, feed 3, but for me it's better to use this one, the split layout, because I can click, I can double click and I can choose the screen. For example, if I want to like create a video with this section, if I want to create the short form video with this section of the long form, I just need to drag and drop and adjust this square, and then I just need to click on apply. So check this out, and it's done. And I can, like, for example, check all the grammar if it's okay, and then I can like split in more sections if I want and all that good stuff. So I can go here and change the aspect ratio, and check this out, it's a very cool software. I can choose the caption. We have as well AI keywords highlighter and static overlay. So I'm going to go to save changes. And for example, for this long form video, Opus Clip gave me 10 short forms. So check this out. So here we have one, two, no, we have more, 14. So I have 14 short form videos, and I can go through any of these short form videos. I can edit the videos, I can check if the grammar is okay, and then I can download it into my computer and upload that video, for example, to my TikTok account, Facebook Reels, or Instagram Reels. So let me show you, I upload one of those videos into my TikTok account. So in which is really cool, because you can like save a lot of time instead of doing like this edit, for example, in CapCut. And we can do here, and what we can do here is that we can upload that same video in YouTube, like a short. So let's see, I'm going to go to Opus Clip, and then so we're going to check if the video, if Opus Clip finish the video. So we have like 5 minutes. Okay, let me show you. These are my results, my latest payments from Freedom Breakthrough. You can see that I'm making commissions every single month. So sometimes, so right now I have $71 pending. I have here 71, 75, 194, 58. So, and these commissions are from my YouTube channel, guys. So I have this sales funnel. I create content. Some people resonate with my own story, and then they go to they access my opt-in page, they put their information, and they start receiving all the emails from Funnel Freedom. Basically, that is how I'm making these commissions. So if I go, for example, to dashboard, you can see I have 28 customers and $71 in unpaid earnings. So basically, to use Opus Clip is super simple. You can go to Google and write Opus Clip. You can create a free account, but you need to know that it's going to expire in 7 days. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon and God bless.